Hello everyone again. This looks like rain. I woke today, felt just side of bed, covers were still warm where you have been laid, but you were gone. My heart was filled with dreads. You might not be sleeping here again. But it's alright, I love you. That's not gonna change. Run around, make me hurt again and again. But I'll still sing you love song written in the letters of your name. And the brave of the storm, for surely looks like rain. Did you ever listen to the sound? Street cats making love. And I guess from their cries, if you'd listen to their fight, well, you know, hate is just the last thing they're thinking of. They're only trying to make it through the night. But it's alright, I love you. That's not gonna change. Run around, make me hurt again and again. But I'll still sing you love song written in the letters of your name. And the brave in the storms to come, for surely looks like rain. I only wanna hold you, don't wanna tie you down, fence you in the lines I might have drawn. It's just that I gotten half too used to having you around. The landscape would be empty if you were gone.